Welcome to Vancouver's West End, where I live and work and play.
Howdy. Well, it looks like I'm sort of coming to the temporary conclusion that the strength of this channel is in being a little more contemplative and meditative and slower. I think there are a lot of very fast channels out there, and I understand why, but it does add a bit of a manic tone to YouTube at times when I flip through it, and I end up feeling more anxious than when I started. So this is going to attempt to provide peaceful content for you to just relax into, enjoy some beauty, talk about nature, and most importantly, take our time. So let's go for a ride on the helmet, shall we? Oh, before I do, let me tell you about this customer. I haven't seen them in 3 months. They're somewhere in the world, I'm not sure where. I don't ask questions. I think I'm paid to, just come, clean up, go away, and not ask too many questions. So that's what I do. It's nice. I like the independence, and they trust me, so it's great. It's better than someone leaning over my shoulder saying, "Oh, you missed a weed over there." I get those too, and that's fine. Okay, shall we? Okay, first up we're gonna rake under this pair of rhodos that are in full bud for next spring. Now the thing about raking under rhodos is you do want to keep some leaves under there to hold on to moisture. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. It's going to give it a neat look. It's a simple thing. You just make the front of it look clean, but underneath is still lots of debris. And the reason for that is they will break down and add to the soil, but also they're keeping, all those leaves under there are keeping the moisture higher. And we're in heavy water restrictions. You can't water the lawn at all right now because it hasn't rained in quite a while. So it's better to keep a bit of debris under the rhodos. But under this rhodo, also in full bud, there's too much. So we're gonna just neaten that up. Okay, we're back behind the rhodo here. You can see it's pretty heavy on the mulching. Technically this is mulch, and mulch is great because it knocks down weeds, it adds to the soil, and it slows down dehydration. So the bed doesn't have to be watered so often. All right, let's just put all this in the bin. It's all bone dry. Okay, and the extra, I'm just going to pull in a little deeper so it's out of sight. There we go. As far as the shape of this rhodo goes, it's pretty good. Although it is touching that one, which they should be just coming together but not actually blending, so we'll take care of that. And also there is something down at the bottom that needs a little trim so we have an even line. Better. Too much debris. Too much intermingling here. I think it looks worse than before I started trimming it. Okay, I see on the smaller roto there are like 4 pieces that are sticking up above the rest. So let's get rid of them so it looks more even. How's that? Well, that's better. I guess the bottom is a little uneven too. Okay. And just to make this look a little neater, actually I'm gonna get one more down here. And just to make that bottom line a little neater, use the rake and draw everything under. Well, yeah, okay, it's not bad. Yeah, natural looking but not messy. Now let's go take a look at the other half of this front garden and then call it a day. Because, you know, there's not a lot to do here, and I'm just kind of biding my time and being here for the hours that I said I would be, but, you know. Which, hey, I'm not complaining about. It's great. Less pressure on me. It's the same situation under these rotos. See, these people have this garden that looks so great in April and May, and then the rest of the summer it's just green. I mean, it still looks wonderful, but there's no color. So we're gonna rake under here and neaten up this line and get all these leaves uh-oh, helmet cam's taking a beating. Okay, I think we gotta go under the roto and pull the leaves inside. Here we go. Oh, we're in the thick of the jungle. Thing is, in August, every time I see a spider, and they're always right here at face level, I kill it, which I know is mean and cruel and shouldn't be done, and shame on Eric, and I mean Gunther, whoever I am. But if I don't, the next week, the thing's gonna be bigger and still at face level. And if I don't see it, it'll be crawling across my face and even bigger than last week. So anytime I see a spider that's made a web at face level, it dies. And hopefully we won't have a shortage of spiders because of me. I tell you, I'm not keeping my secateurs clean, and I'm killing all the spiders. What kind of horticulturist do you think I am? I think the camera might be sideways, but maybe that's a good angle. Sideways cam. Let's see if we can straighten this up. Whew. Oh, sorry about that. All right. Bring those leaves up and add to the mulch that I already have here. Okay. One last one and we're done. It's right here. Again, the rhodos are growing together right here, which I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it. I don't even want to get rid of those bottom branches because they're just covered in buds. Oh, but it will look nicer. Okay, here we go. Kill those rhodo buds. Okay, not terrible, and definitely more even. Couple more over here. Oh, phone call. Oh, coffee's on. Hi, Jane. I'm on my way. I'll see you soon. Bye. Well, better finish up because coffee's getting served. What a difficult job I have. I'm going in. Oh, I'm deep inside. Okay, here we go. Okay. Uh-oh. Sorry. And a few weeds. Okay, that'll do it.